Good looking. Where's it go? Where does it go? So close. Good job. Good trying. Look, there's more. There's 3 more. Bless you. We try to cover our nose when we sneeze. Keep looking. Very good. Where does that one go? I know, that one's hard. You gonna play with the picture? The one that we didn't do was the Pentagon.
Tyler.
Where's Tyler? Do you want to name people? Do you want to find people? Look. Where is Tyler?
Tyler.
Well, show me, where's Tyler?
Tyler.
He's not behind the picture frame. You want to put it up? Thank you. Uh-oh. Fix it, please. Fix it. Uh-oh. Thank you. Do you see Tyler? Daddy, that's right. Who's this? What's her name?
Mommy.
Mommy. And let's see. What's his name?
Baby.
No, yeah, that is the baby. What's his name?
Tyler.
Tyler. What's his name? CJ. What's his name? Danny, that's right. And what's her name? Maisie, that's right.